Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can edit a slow motion video on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. The first thing that we need to do after recording the slow motion video is to go to Gallery. Over here we need to select our slow motion video, and then we need to tap on this pen icon at the bottom of the screen. After that we will open the edit mode, where we can at first adjust the slow motion effect, so we can extend it to the whole video if needed. We can also move on the timeline if needed as well. And then we have additional options at different categories, which we can switch at the bottom of the screen, where we can, for instance, mirror the video. We can apply the straighten effect, we can apply the horizontal effect, and so on and so forth. We have some filters as well. We have also such settings as brightness, exposure, contrast, and so on and so forth. We can draw on the video, we can apply stickers, and so on and so forth, and also the text, of course. And finally, we also have volume settings, where we can adjust the video volume. And we can also add a soundtrack by pressing this add button. Now let's go back. Once you are done with the edit, you can press save as a copy at the top of the screen. And then we need to wait a couple of seconds in order to save the video. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!